Lyco Manufacturing is releasing the new simple rotary drum Econo cooler. The Econo cooler is simple and versatile for all types of vegetable and pasta products. The dwell time can be controlled to ensure that your products cool to the desired temperature and product is first in, first out. The unit is very accessible for cleaning with side doors that can easily be lowered during sanitation, and the cylinder screens are easily removable for access to the interior of the cylinder. The Econo cooler comes with very simple non-PLC controls mounted right on the side of the unit. Lyco's Econo cooler is ideal after our small, compact, easy clean cooker and offers a complete pasta line with even feed systems as an option, using a hopper vibratory in-feed shaker or a simple belt conveyor for the in-feed end. A transfer shaker from cooking to cooling, which is ideal if your plant is set up for low-care, high-care operation. And a dewatering shaker at the discharge end of the cooler. For more information on all Lyco products, visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our office at 920-623-4152.